Hey there folks, I'm Charlotte the Gulf Coast Granny, and today I am at the beautiful Gulf Coast campus of the University of Southern Mississippi. I'm here today because I'm going to test drive the revival edition of my tricycle, Hazel. For those who don't know, I have a visual impairment that keeps me from being able to drive. So Poppy bought me this tricycle a few years ago, added a motor, added a battery to it, and I'm able to tool around town basically whenever I want to. Problem is, Hazel had a hiccup. There was a problem with the battery management system and maybe the charge controller. We replaced a few parts and she still didn't work. So I basically bought all the parts and Poppy rebuilt her this weekend. So when we got out here this morning, I felt one raindrop and then the deluge happened. And it's just about to completely stop raining. I can't believe that happened. We haven't had rain in like 2 weeks. And the one day that I wanted to come out here and do this, bam. But it's okay. It's lasted about 30 minutes. And again, it's slowing down quite a lot. So as soon as it stops, we'll get to it, okay? Before we start the ride, I want to show you how absolutely gorgeous this campus is. All of the streets are lined with those beautiful old 100-year-old oak trees. There's one actually right here to my right, and it's pretty big too. There's a great big statue there of our golden eagle. It's the mascot for this university. This college was absolutely devastated by Hurricane Katrina almost 20 years ago. And they've rebuilt it, redone all of the buildings. There's one of them. And it's a great place for the community to get a decent education now. There it is. Isn't that beautiful? I just love that statue. This is also the campus where my baby girl goes to school. And I feel really lucky to have a university so close to our home that she can still live at home and get her education. Hazel is an electric tricycle. I bought it as a Schwinn Meridian without any extra stuff on it. It's a 1-speed. I didn't think I'd need speeds with a motor on it. I live in a very flat area, so climbing hills and stuff is really not going to be anything I have to worry about. The hub motor is right here at the front wheel. The battery is over here in the back. And the charge controller is down here. And that is all the parts that you need to make one of these tricycles into an electric tricycle. The whole thing was about $850 to put together.
Get it, Granny?
There's a bump. She super works, but you are going to have to see what's going on with the pedal assist because I'm having to use just throttle. The pedal assist is not working at all.
Okay.
So I think that's just an adjustment down here on the pedals.
Probably.
That little ring that you put on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm tickled to death. You want me to ride it home?
If you want to.
I can't.
Well, you don't have a helmet on.
Well, give me that. No, I don't. But I don't care. All right, now we're just going about 14 miles an hour, but we have a stop sign coming up. And I'm going to stop for that. Nobody's coming. All right, let's see how fast this girl will go. I hope there's no speed bumps. 22. 26. 29. That was fast, and that was a little scary. I don't like to do it that way all the time. 23 is really comfortable, but when I'm just tooling around, usually I keep it between, say, 12 and 18, because that's what feels safest for me. It does rattle a little bit, but that's just the basket in the back. The rest of the bike is very, very sturdy. I think I'm going to have Poppy adjust the brakes because it pulls to the right a little bit. But that's not a huge deal. He can fix that when we get home. This is amazing. What?
Like it?
Yes. This is amazing.
How fast you go this time?
30.4.
All right, on.
Yeah. And there's the hero who put my Hazel back together for me. I'm so grateful to Poppy for having the talent and the knowledge to be able to do this, and also that he cares enough to make sure that I have some independence because of the fact that I can't drive. And it means the world to me. Hope y'all enjoyed the revival of my Hazel. I could not be happier. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon. All right?